So with all these tools here, you're not going to need any of them to get to the cabin filter. Now over here, I already took it out, this little guy, and I'm going to show you the little flap that you have to sort of push up to drop the glove box down. See this little, here, click, you want to push up on it and it'll drop down, but it will not drop down until you put this out of the way. So this sat right here in this little hole. I can get it in the hole. See that? It locks into place. It locks it from falling. So you want to pop it out. Just push it down with your tools. If I could do it with one hand. Listen, it was awkward, all right? But you have to get it out of the way. So there you go. Don't lose it. It's gonna be right there. Now, if your big leg's out of the way, the whole door will fall down. Now, it will fall out, and that's fine, because these guys line up into here. There's little flat spots right there. So there's a certain angle you're gonna need to put it back in. You see, as it hinges back up. You see, it pops out. A certain angle you want, it'll sit in, and then it'll I know it's gonna fall on you, so there you go. Now put it back out. There's a door. Look, it even says door. That's funny. Let's see how to get it out. Squeeze? I can't tell, I can't see. Okay, so that is hinge side, and this is door side. Squeeze. And then you pull out. You always gotta pull out. Okay, so squeezing this helped, but getting the door off, I had to put my finger here and hinge it out. So when it's back up here, so even though you squeeze, you want to pull from here to release it. Got it? Good. Now you pull it out. Look at this. You gotta sort of weasel it out. Thank you. There you go. Part number is do. That's what it is. Slide it back in. Look at this. Look how flimsy this is. Look at this. You gotta be kidding me. Really? These are the American cards, I swear these are the American cards. You have to like line them up perfectly. Look, I guess would it be easy to pull the glove box down? Probably. But who wants to do that? To filter. Look, I got it in. See? I guess that's why it's so flimsy. Hinge side. Line her up. Like it, don't like it. Share, don't share. Put the glove box back. You see? You gotta line it up. Don't forget that little hinge. There you go. Thanks for watching.